Talmid Chacham?
Everybody can become a Talmid Chacham. The question is, are you willing to make the sacrifices to do it? You know yourself. Now, everybody can be. That doesn't mean that everybody will be. Doesn't mean that everybody should be aspiring to become. So you know yourself. You know how much you can study. You know how much you're willing to sacrifice. You know yourself. You simply know. Everybody knows themselves. Everybody knows where they are a winner and where they are a loser. Everybody knows. Everybody knows that it's a reality that you could hide from everybody else except yourself. So, if a person is not even debating whether they're going to be a Talmid Chacham or not, they simply are aspiring to do it, and they're doing, not willing to do, they're doing everything possible to acquire as much Torah as possible. That's it. In order to know Torah, whether they end up becoming a real Talmid Chacham or not is not necessarily an aspiration for them. They just want to know as much Torah as possible. Why? Because they want to serve HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So they wake up in the morning with excitement to learn Torah. Not excitement to go make money. Not excitement to go sell baseball cards or play with baseball cards or play basketball or play in a band or write articles for some newspaper. No, they're aspiring to learn Torah constantly. At every moment that they have, their ideal of fun is learn more Torah. Their ideal of a good time is learn more Torah. Their idea of vacation is learn Torah. Talmidei Chachamim, when they go on vacation, you know what they do? They learn Torah. That's what they do on vacation. So yeah, they take their family to some place. I don't know, they go to some country, to the mountains, to hills, whatever. So the family can have fun, the kids can have fun, there's toys, there's friends, there's whatever, all types of kosher fun to do. And they can have a peace of mind. To do what? To go open a nice Gemara and learn for the next 8 hours straight. Without the headaches of the boss, without the headaches of the mortgage, without the headaches of the friends, without the headaches of anything. They simply left peace and quiet to learn more Torah. Which means if you want to be a Talmid Chacham, you have to chase Torah like you would chase gold treasure. That will give you a chance, not for sure, a chance of being a Talmid Chacham. When you are simply chasing Torah at every moment, no one has to convince you, no one has to sell you, nothing. You want it, and you're doing everything for it. You are literally willing to sacrifice your life in order to learn another minute of Torah. That will give you a chance of possibly being a Talmid Chacham. Possibly. But as far as a person that just likes to study, but he also likes big houses, nice convertible sports cars, a good $30,000, $40,000 watch on his left hand, maybe a nice diamond bracelet on his right, nice Fendi glasses for $600-$700, only wears ties that are brand name, must be fit, so he goes to the gym for at least an hour and a half a day, so his body is nice and slim like a Greek statue. Shoes cannot be older than 2.5 months, but if there's a scratch on them, they already go in the garbage. And if he doesn't have that stuff, he's aspiring to get that stuff. Anytime he's free, he looks at the magazine of what's the next new fashion, what's the next sport, who's the richest guy in the world, who's making the biggest deals. And when he's on his extra time, on his fun time, he's checking the stock market, he's checking finances, he's checking fashion, he's checking everything, but he's not checking Torah. But he likes to learn Torah. He likes to come to a shul. He likes the mental stimulation. That guy will never ever be a Talmid Chacham. He may actually keep some mitzvot, but he'll never be a Talmid Chacham. Even if his IQ is 1,000, he'll never be a Talmid Chacham. Because Talmid Chacham is not just someone that knows Torah. It's someone that's applying it and someone that's chasing it constantly. There are plenty of people that know some Torah. But to be qualified as a Talmid Chacham, as Da'at Torah, is a life of Mesirut Nefesh. And it's simply toiling and toiling and toiling Torah for the sake of Torah, not for the sake of being a Talmid Chacham. Becoming a Talmid Chacham is simply an outcome that you get as a present from HaKadosh Baruch Hu for all your toil. It's not a guarantee, and it's definitely not something that just any average Joe can do it.